In the fiscal quarter ending January 2023, the consensus EPS asterisk forecast has decreased by 0.72% from 1.39 to 1.38 over the past week. This decrease of 1.43% from 1.4 to 1.38 has been observed over the past month. Out of the three analysts making quarterly forecasts, one raised and one lowered their forecast. The consensus EPS asterisk forecast has also decreased, this time by 1.39%, from 5.52 to 5.51 over the past week. Over the past month, the decrease was more modest at 0.18%. Of the three analysts making yearly forecasts, one raised and two lowered their predictions. Over the past week, the consensus EPS asterisk forecast has remained the same at 0.73 and decreased by 1.35% from 0.74 to 0.73. None of the one analysts making quarterly forecasts raised their estimates, while zero lowered their forecast. The consensus EPS asterisk forecast for the year has remained the same at 2.38 over the past week and month. Out of the one analysts making yearly forecasts, none raised their estimates and one lowered their forecast. Of the one analysts making quarterly forecasts, none raised and zero lowered their forecast. The consensus EPS asterisk forecast has remained the same over the past week at 2.38 and remained the same over the past month at 2.38. Of the one analysts making yearly forecasts, none raised and one lowered their forecast. The consensus EPS asterisk forecast has remained the same over the past week at 9.38 and increased over the past month from 9.36 to 9.38, 0.21%. For the fiscal year ending October 2023, the consensus EPS asterisk forecast has remained the same over the past week at 37.28 and increased over the past month from 37.23 to 37.28, 0.13%. None raised and none lowered their forecast. The consensus earnings per share, EPS, forecast for the quarter ending August 2023 has remained unchanged at 3.21 over the past week, but has seen an increase of 0.31% from 3.2 to 3.21 over the past month. This is based on the forecasts of 5 analysts, 4 of whom raised their projections and 4 of whom lowered them. The consensus EPS forecast for the fiscal year ending August 2023 has also remained unchanged at 14.27 over the past week, but has seen an increase of 0.21% from 14.24 to 14.27 over the past month. This is based on the forecasts of 4 analysts, all of whom raised their projections. Like and subs.